you all? Hope you all are safe and happy at home. Children, what we have learned in the last classes? In the last class, we have learned about the wild and domestic animals. The wild and domestic animals. The animals that live on jungle or forest is called wild animals. The animals that live in the jungle or forest is called jungle animals or wild animals. Example: elephant, tiger, fox, bear, giraffe, monkey, etc. The animals that has been tamed and kept as a pet is called pet animal or domestic animal. The animals that has been tamed and kept as a pet is called pet animal or domestic animal. Example: cow, dog, cat, hen, goat, horse, sheep, etc. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is insects, birds, and where they live, like water, land, or trees. Water, land, or trees. Children, do you know what is an insect? An insect is a small animal. An insect is a very small animal. An insect is a very small animal. Example: butterflies, dragonflies, flies, beetle, spider, grasshopper, mosquito, honeybee, bug, etc. Once again, an insect is a small animal. An insect is a very small animal. An insect is a very small animal. Example: butterflies, dragonflies, flies, beetle, spider, grasshopper, mosquito, honeybee, bug, etc. Next is birds. Next is birds. Birds are flying creatures. They can fly in the sky. Example: peacock, crow, pigeon, sparrow, crane, etc. Once again, birds are flying creatures. They can fly in the sky. Example: peacock, crow, pigeon, sparrow, crane, etc. Some of the animals lives on land. Some others lives in water. Goat, lion, cow, elephant. Where do these animals live? Where do these animals live? These animals lives on land. These animals lives on land. Fish, starfish, whale, crocodile, frog. Where do these animals live? Where do these animals live? Does they live on land? Does they live in water? Yes. These animals live in the water. These animals lives in the water. Parrot, crow, sparrow, owl, peacock. Where do these birds live? Is they live in water? Is they live on the trees? Yes, they live on the trees. They live on the trees. Now we can move on to the textbook. Please take the page number 66. Let's start. Birds and insects. Write B for birds and I for insects. Children, look at these pictures. Which is the first picture? It is a mosquito. It is a mosquito. It is a small and harmful insect. It spreads diseases. It is an insect. So, write I here. Look at the second picture. It is a parrot. It's a beautiful bird. We keep it as a pet. It talks like us. It is a beautiful bird. We keep it as a pet. It talks like us. So, write B here. It is a bird. So, write B here. The third one is a honeybee. The third one is a honeybee. It is also a small insect. It gives us honey, but it is a harmful insect. It is a harmful insect. So, write I here. Okay. Next one is a pigeon. Next one is a pigeon. We can see the pigeon in the shades of the buildings and public places like hospitals, school, etc. The pigeon is a bird. So, you write B here. Okay. Next one is a sparrow. Next one is a sparrow. It is a small bird and can be seen in the garden and trees. It is a small bird. It is a bird. So, you write B here. Next one is a crow. Next one is a crow. We can see it in the trees nearby our house. We can see the crow everywhere. The crow is a bird. So, you write B here. Next one is a fly. Next one is a fly. It is a small insect. We can see the flies in the foods that are kept open. Okay. The fly is an insect, so you write I here. Next one is a butterfly. Next one is a butterfly. It is a beautiful insect. It is a beautiful insect. It flies around the flowers. Did you have seen the butterfly in your garden? It is a beautiful insect. So you write I here. Okay. Next one is a peacock. Next one is a peacock. It is the most beautiful bird and the national bird of our country. The peacock is a bird. So, you write B here. Next one is a crane. Next one is a crane. We can see it near the ponds, lakes, etc. The crane is also a bird. So, you write B here. Okay. Next one is a beetle. Next one is a beetle. It is a small insect. It is a small insect. So, you write I here. Next one is a dragonfly. Next one is a dragonfly. It is also a small insect. It is also a small insect. So, you write I here. Okay. Where do animals live? Where do animals live? Write L for animals that live on land, W for animals that live in water, and T for animals that live on trees. Look at the first picture. Which animal is this? It is a goat. It is a goat. The goat lives on land. The goat lives on land. So you write L here. So you write L here. Next one is a lion. Next one is a lion. The lion lives on land or jungle. So you write L here. Okay. The third picture is a cat. The third one is a cat. It lives on land. So you write L here. Next one is a starfish. Next one is a starfish. It lives in water. It lives in water. So you write W here. Next is a fish. Next is a fish. The fish also lives in water. So you write W here. Next one is an elephant. Next one is an elephant. It is the biggest land animal. So it lives in land. So you write L here. Okay. Next one is an owl. Next one is an owl. It is a bird. It is a bird. It lives in the tree. It lives in the tree. So you write T here. You write T here. Look at the next picture. Which animal is this? It is a whale. It is a whale. It is the biggest water animal. It lives in water. So you write W here. Next one is a dolphin. It also lives in water. So you write W here. Next one is a parrot. Next one is a parrot. It is a bird. It lives in the tree. It lives in the tree. So you write T here. Next one is a sparrow. It is also a bird. It lives in the trees. It lives in the trees. So you write T here. The last one is a monkey. The last one is a monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. The monkey lives in the trees. So you write T here. So you write T here. Okay. Now we can move on to the next page. Page number 68. Okay. Unscramble. Unscramble the letters to find the names of animals. Children, look at these pictures. Here their names are not in the correct way. We want to write it correctly. Let's start. First one is a deer. First one is a deer. Do you know what's the spelling of the word deer? D-E-E-R, deer. What's the spelling? D-E-E-R, deer. Look at the next picture. Which animal is this? It is a zebra. It is a zebra. Do you know the spelling of the word zebra? Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. What's the spelling? Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. You write the correct spelling of the word zebra here. What's the spelling? Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Next one is a monkey. Next one is a monkey. Do you know the spelling of the word monkey? What's the spelling of the word monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. What's the spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. You write the correct spelling of the word monkey here. What's the correct spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Which is the next animal? It is a cow. Which animal is this? This is a cow. What's the spelling of the word cow? Z-O-W, cow. Z-O-W, cow. What's the spelling? Z-O-W, cow. Z-O-W, cow. You write the correct spelling of the word cow here. What's the spelling of the word? C-O-W, cow. Which is the next picture? It is a lion. It is a lion. What's the spelling of the word lion? L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. You write the correct spelling of the word lion here. What's the spelling of the word lion? L-I-O-N. L-I-O-N, lion here. Okay. The last one is a tiger. Which animal is this? This is a tiger. Do you know the spelling of the word tiger? What's the spelling of the word tiger? T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. You write the correct spelling of the word tiger here. What's the spelling of the word tiger? Tiger. You write Tiger, tiger here. Okay. Watch the video 2 or 3 times. Study well and stay safe. Bye. Thank you.